Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Amazfit GTS. We've been waiting to unbox this smartwatch and it's been requested to unbox from us. As you can see, we have the package in front of us. We have a really good looking package, the GTS logo shining. We have a couple of options in the front, as you can see, starting from built-in GPS, waterproof and all kinds of stuff that we will see later. In the back, as you can see, we have again a couple of options or instructions that we have. Also we have Amazfit GTS logos, barcodes, Bluetooth and other sign that is important to be in the package. We have two pairs of extra bands, blue one and a red one. These are same as they are in the package, but in the package we have the black one that is standard. We got these two so we can try other colors and see how they look. Let's go ahead and unbox it. As you can see, underneath we have the box like always, Amazfit logo, all white and very simple. Immediately it reveals the GTS and its finest looks. You can see we have here other things as well underneath this package. Let's pop this up. And starting from the user manual, which is in different languages and a very small size, which looks pretty good, like other smartwatches that has big user manuals, and we have plenty of languages. You can see we have the QR codes for apps and other things, and we have some instructions that we will need maybe sometimes. In the other side we have the charger all wrapped up. As you can see, we have a very good protection, and we have the charger really simple, 2 points to go in the back of the GTS, and it will charge without any problem. The material of this cable is pretty good, so we don't have to worry about anything. In the Amazfit GTS we have 1.65 AMOLED touchscreen with Gorilla Glass 3 plus anti-finger coating. The watch itself is very light, made by plastic, and comfortable bands from rubber. In the GTS we have sensors like ambient light sensor, air pressure, geomagnetic sensors, accelerating sensor and BO tracker. The battery itself is made from lithium and it's holding 220 mAh. In daily use that will last 14 days. With GPS and heart rate all the way up, it will last only 24 hours, and honestly that is very impressive. In basic watch mode, the battery will last 46 days. So these are the specifications about the Amazfit GTS. Let's go ahead and see what we got more. Now as you can see, we are back at the GTS. Let's peel this off and turn the GTS on. You can see the screen, the resolution is very good and the colors are great. Now that the QR code was here, I just paired it and it shows immediately the first page. As you can see, we have this beautiful watch face. You can change it by holding and pressing it. Also you have plenty of more in the app, which we will see in the next video. You can see in this one we have the day, time, percentage of battery, burn calories, steps and all kinds of stuff. In the other one we had the weather as well, which is very useful. As you can see when you press the weather, it shows you your city weather all day long. In the left we have here heart rate, and the last heart rate is saved. We have in the top, as you can see, we have date, we have torch, do not disturb brightness and lock screen. Down we have the menu starting from status. You can see the PAI, which I explained in the other video. Next we have heart rate, we will try that later. We have workout, and we have in the workout, as you can see, we have treadmill, indoor run, outdoor run. We have elliptical, rower. We have running mode, climbing, trail running, activities that will save right here. We have music control, as you can see it works. We have the alarms, event reminder, more we have compass. As you can see, the compass we have to calibrate it. Don't calibrate like this. I saw people trying to calibrate like this. You have to go like it's in your hand. As you can see, when you calibrate, it works perfectly. You can use the compass and the GTS without any problem. Next, we have here in more timer, we have clock and other options. As you can see in the settings, we have a screen mode, watch faces, screen time off, press and hold option, always on screen. This is the press and hold, as I said. Next, we have always on display, so you can customize the options for always on, turn off or on. And we have here the system, which we can factory reset, reboot or shut down the watch. So let's go ahead and try some of these options that we saw. As you can see, now we have the blue bands on. The PAI is registering any movements, and we have the heart rate first here. Let's try this one first, see how it will work. As you can see, we have changes, and we have the statistic down at the bottom, which is not usual in smartwatches. We have now the workouts. Let's try one of these. We saw these pool swimming, open pool swimming, elliptical climbing, skiing and freestyle training. We have plenty of them, so let's go ahead and press go. As you can see, the GPS is trying to connect to positioning. As you can see, we have the time at the top, seconds going here, distance, pace and heart rate at the bottom. This is the first page, and honestly the GPS now is activated, and honestly these are pretty good measurements and pretty good information. In the second page, we have average pace, total ascending and total descending. We have cadence, stride length and consummation, and this is it. As you can see, we have quite a few information in sport mode, which is very good in today's smartwatches. You can see the resolution in the GTS is very good, and the watch is great at all. So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. If you find this video interesting or helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smartwatch.